Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Math Jamboree. We have another video with you. I have a guest in here. Our wonderful John is here. We're gonna talk about how to multiply and divide fractions with you. This is mainly middle school levels questions we will try to solve and share that with you. And I would like to have this video kind of like interactive. So I'm gonna ask some questions to John, and we will just try to solve it together. Here is the John with me.
Hi everyone, my name is John.
Thank you, John. Welcome to our channel. It's great to have you in our channel.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we will be just talking about multiplying fractions and dividing fractions. When we are multiplying fractions, do we need to make denominator same?
No.
So we don't need to make fractions denominator same, right? So we can just go ahead and multiply any fractions. So we will go ahead and let me show you as an example. Let's say if we have 2/5 times 1/3, let's say. So these two fractions, they don't have a common denominator, but we do not have to make denominators same, right? Because we don't add them, we don't subtract them. So when we are multiplying, we just multiply numerator by the numerator and denominator by the denominator. So in this question, let's get help from John. What do you think, John, for this problem? What is the numerator will it be? So
The up is 2.
Up is 2, which is the numerator, and then what do we put for the bottom?
50.
15. You're right. Good job, John. So thank you for that, because 2 times 1 is 2 and 5 times 3 is 15. So when you multiply 2 by 1, you get 2, and 5 by 3, you get 15. So this is our answer for the first question. So let's go ahead and give it a try to another example. In this case, I will just write it with a different color so that you guys can have a better visual. So in this case, let's say we have 3/7 will be multiplied by 2/5. And what do you think the answer will it be in this case, John? Do we need to make their denominator same? John, do we need to make their denominator same?
No.
So we will just go ahead and multiply them, right?
Yeah.
So numerator by numerator, and the denominator will be denominator.
So
what do we have for the numerator on top there?
We have the 3 times 2,
Which is
6.
And what do we for the denominator?
7 times 5.
Which is
30.
35. Good job. So you have that right in here. 6/35, Johnny. Yeah, that's great. You can just go ahead and multiply these numbers, 3 by 2, and you will multiply, again, 7 by 5. So let's go ahead and solve another example. What if we have, in this case, 2/9 times 1/4? In this case, what do you think will be the answer is? I mean, do we need to make denominator same again, Johnny?
No.
No, right? So we will just go ahead and multiply numerators by the numerator, which is going to be 2 on up, right? On the top numerator. What about for the denominator? What do we have?
Wait a second. 36.
36. Good job. 36 is the answer. So this is 2/36. They are both even numbers. We can just go ahead and also simplify them by 2, which will give you 2 by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Okay, we have also another guest in the room who's my son. He's so lovely. He just burst into room. Nice. Okay.
And he is going.
Now, yeah, he's leaving now. So we will just go ahead and solve another example. Another example in here. I will just go ahead and put another example here. I just wanted to show you what's the problem will it be like. What if we have in this case I will have another thing 2/9 times 2/9 times, let's say we have 5/7. In this case, if you will just multiply them, so what do you and then again is the same as usual. Do we need to make John, you're making me laugh. Do we need to make their denominator same?
No.
We'll just go ahead and multiply them, right?
Yes.
Numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. What is it gonna be then? So on the top, what do we have? 2 times 5 is
63.
2 times 5 on for top.
Ah,
Oh, you just
yeah.
said the denominator.
Yeah.
Yes, we can do that. It's just let's go with that denominator first.
The up is 10.
Up is 10, so which is 10/63 for the answer. Awesome.
Sorry for the laughing.
No, it's all right. It's life is fun, you know. There is nothing too wrong. I mean, just laughing. Thank you. I mean, it's fun to have you around. So, and also we just talked about, you know, how to multiply the fractions, but I would like to also talk about how to
Fractions.
divide fractions, division. So when we are dividing fractions, technically what we are doing is that I will always teach this to my students that the 3 C's. What are these 3 C's I'm talking about? Let me write it down over here. Copy, change, and change. What does that mean? So we are going to go ahead. If you are given 2 fractions, you're going to copy the first fraction and change the division into multiplication, and you will change the third fraction to its reciprocal. Reciprocal means you will flip the fraction. All right. So let me put this an example in here. For instance, we have 3/5 divided by 6/7. Let me see. I'm sorry. Let's make it better. 7 as much as we can. So, John, so what are we doing here? What is the first one? Is gonna be Johnny? Yeah,
The first one is same.
is the same. So we will just copy it, right?
Yeah.
We will copy the first fraction as it is, which is 3/5. Then
And we have to change
change the sign, which is division to multiplication.
yes.
Thank you.
Uh,
And what else we change?
and we have to change 6 and
7, the locations.
Yeah,
So it's
location.
gonna become, we call it in mathematics reciprocal. So technically, instead of writing 6/7, we will just go ahead and write, as you said, 7/6. Okay. Now it's again just a multiplication, right, Johnny?
Yeah.
It's a regular format. So, and go ahead, we will just go ahead and do we need to make denominator same again?
No.
No, right? For sure. When you're multiplying, hey, everybody out there listening for us, what is it? You want to do that? Yeah, I was just gonna advise him saying that, you know, in addition or multiplication, there is no need to, right? In multiplication, when you're multiplying and dividing, there is no need to make denominator same. But when you're adding and subtracting, we have to make the denominator same. So what is the result for this one, Johnny? What do we have?
First, we have 3 times 7
Which
is
is
21.
21, and the denominator is
And the denominator is 30.
30. All right. These are both divisible by 3. I just want to go ahead and simplify it somewhat we can just go ahead and divide them, both of them, by 3, and will becomes, right? So let me write it down. You saw that they are both divisible by 3, right, Johnny? You
Yes.
see them? So what does this becomes?
21 is 7.
21 divided by 3 is 7, yes. And 30 becomes
10.
10. So our final answer is 7/10 then, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, Johnny, for your time and your support and your contribution to this video. So
You're
everybody
welcome.
will be watching, and I'm on their behalf. I just want to thank you for your contribution.
You're welcome.
All right. Thank you watching. Thank you guys for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe our just channel, and
Because we need it.
we need it. Yeah, that would be nice if you want to. Okay. And I wish you good luck with your exams and hope to see you around. Have a good one.
Bye bye.
Peace out. Bye bye.